everybody, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Now we're going to take a cruise in our nice 1959 Chevy El Camino. Baby blue paint job. In fact, the coolest thing about this is a lot of these El Caminos they based off the Chevelle, but we're coming with this one, they decided to base it off the Impala. You see here we got all our gauges working nice. Has still the original AM radio, 4-speed manual. Our brakes are nice. The steering is just incredible. I mean, literally, it feels like driving a dream. Shifts real smooth. So if you're interested, take a look at our website, skywayclassics.com. Take a look at our inventory, and we're going to put this baby on the lift.